I researched and tested some of the best gaming CPUs in order to find the best one, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what the perfect CPU is for you. Like the Intel Core i5, which is a great all-around processor that offers an impressive core count, good thermal performance, and enough power for most tasks, and is my choice as the best gaming CPU for most people in 2023. The only problem is that the Intel Core i5 isn't perfect for everyone, and if you don't know some specific things to look for, you could end up with a processor that won't work well for you, which is why I've made sure to include options for all types of people and all the information you'll need to know to find the perfect product. So, regardless of what you intend on using it for, I'll have the best CPU for you. I'll also have links to the best and most up-to-date prices on all the products I mentioned in this video in the description. Starting off, most people might be looking for a CPU that doesn't run too hot, is easy to install, and can reliably deliver smooth frame rates and good performance in most situations. The Intel Core i5-13600K checks these boxes, and it's my choice as the best gaming CPU for most people in 2023. The Intel Core i5-13600K is a powerful gaming CPU that delivers outstanding performance for the price, and it offers a generous core count to maintain efficiency, solid thermals, and comparable all-around performance to more expensive models. Like other 13th generation Intel processors, it's based on the updated Raptor Lake architecture, which comes with two types of cores to distribute workloads and deliver speedier, more efficient performance each time. The thermal performance is solid considering its all-around speed and offers a 100 degrees Celsius thermal ceiling for some overclocking, though it's hotter than the previous model and requires more power to run than AMD alternatives like the Ryzen 7 5800X, which I'll mention later. In addition, it still has an LGA 1700 socket that's compatible with 12th generation ready coolers and 600 or 700 series chipset-based motherboards. On the inside, you get 20 threads, 6 speedy performance cores with hyper-threading technology to deliver smooth frame rates with most demanding mainstream titles, 8 efficiency cores to further boost performance, and 24 MB of L3 cache to help reduce latency, which makes it a great choice for nearly any gaming or streaming requirement. It also offers boosted memory capabilities and can support DDR5 up to 5600 MHz and DDR4 up to 3200 MHz, depending on your build's needs. And it offers support for PCIe 5.0 and 4.0, Thunderbolt 4 technology, Wi-Fi 6E, and more. The Intel Core i5-13600K is a quality and versatile gaming CPU that outperforms the price tag, and it comes with a massive amount of threads and useful cores that routinely deliver smooth and crisp gameplay to help give you a competitive edge when playing. If you're looking for a responsive gaming CPU that can offer impressive in-game performance across the board, this is a great choice. Next up, I have an affordable gaming CPU that still comes with plenty of power, good thermal performance, and the ability to play mainstream titles at decent settings. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is my choice as the best gaming CPU for the money in 2023. Not everyone has the money to afford a high-end gaming CPU, and the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is a much more affordable alternative that still offers good single and multi-threaded performance and a reasonable power consumption. The CPU is based on AMD's Zen 3 microarchitecture to improve performance and reduce memory latency. It has a versatile design that comes with socket AM4 compatibility, so you can safely use it with most AMD motherboards, and it can also support PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards for additional flexibility. It offers a surprising amount of power for the price and only has a 105 TDP, and it has a thoughtful thermal design that doesn't exceed about 70 degrees Celsius when running at base speeds, though it doesn't come with an included cooler to boost the thermal performance. It's an 8-core, 16-thread CPU with a base clock frequency of 3.8 GHz and overclock speeds of up to 4.7 GHz, which offers outstanding all-around performance and can reliably run games with smooth frame rates at good settings for avid gamers, although it doesn't come with integrated graphics like the Intel Core i7-12700, which I'll mention later. In addition, it's compatible with the intuitive AMD Ryzen Master program that allows you to view temperature readings, fan speeds, memory timings, and CPU frequencies, switch between profiles to optimize performance with certain games, and more. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is a quality CPU that's optimized for PC gaming, and it comes with a surprisingly low power consumption rating considering its performance, and enough processing power to handle most mainstream games and some creative work. This is an ideal choice if you don't have much to spend, but still want a CPU that can play most demanding titles at decent settings. Some people might be looking for a high-quality CPU that offers top-tiered, multi-threaded performance and can consistently deliver smooth, immersive gameplay. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X does just this, and it's my choice as the best AMD gaming CPU in 2023. AMD processors offer a few key benefits compared to Intel competitors, and the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X is a premium CPU that delivers outstanding energy efficiency and consistent high-end performance. In contrast to the previously mentioned AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, the 7950X is based on AMD's new Zen 4 architecture, which now uses a 5nm manufacturing process that includes more powerful hardware to boost performance and help reduce pipeline stalls. The thermal performance is also solid and offers a maximum supported temperature of only 95 degrees Celsius, though the 170-watt thermal design power is relatively high and it doesn't include a cooler. It's also compatible with the latest AM5 motherboards to future-proof your purchase. And you get PCI Express 5.0 support for next-gen graphics cards and high-speed NVMe SSDs. It ships with 16 CPU cores that offer SMT support, 32 processing threads to further boost the all-around performance, and 64 megabytes of L3 cache. And it has a high base clock of 4.7 GHz and can turbo boost as high as 5.7 GHz depending on the workload. And if you want additional frame rates, it routinely delivers exceptional multi-threading performance, benchmark tests, and responsiveness, which makes it a great choice for everything from high-level gaming to creating content. In addition, it now offers integrated graphics to help with gameplay and supports DDR5 RAM with speeds of up to 5200 MHz to reduce latency when playing your favorite titles. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X offers a new architecture that delivers a noticeable boost to performance over previous models, and it offers exceptional multi-threading performance that should be able to reliably power through demanding titles or other CPU-intensive tasks. If you're after a high-end CPU that performs well in just about any situation, this is an ideal choice for you. Next up, I have a high-quality CPU that offers outstanding single-core and multi-threaded performance to consistently produce smooth frame rates and top-tier gameplay. The Intel Core i9-13900K is a great choice for serious users, and it's my choice as the best Intel gaming CPU in 2023. With its outstanding number of cores, compatibility with various kinds of Intel motherboards, and premium gaming performance at a fairly reasonable rate, the Intel Core i9-13900K is an excellent choice for power users, serious streamers, or competitive online gamers. Like the previously mentioned Intel Core i5-13600K processor, it comes with a 7nm lithography and hybrid Raptor Lake architecture that integrates two core microarchitectures to optimize the workload and deliver more consistent performance under demanding tasks. Despite its increased number of cores and having more cache, it's relatively efficient and doesn't require much more power than its predecessor, though it can run somewhat hot over longer periods of gaming or working. In addition, it has an LGA 1700 socket that's compatible with Intel 600 and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. It has a total of 24 cores, which include 8 performance cores to deliver smooth frame rates, an outstanding 16 efficiency cores to further boost the gaming and multi-threaded performance, 36 megabytes of L3 cache to help improve its efficiency, and a 5.8 GHz max frequency when not overclocked. Overall, it delivers top-tier single-core performance and premium multi-core responsiveness, so it's an excellent choice for avid mainstream gamers or serious streamers, though it's likely overkill for casual users. It also offers DDR5 support up to 5600 MHz, along with DDR4 up to 3200 MHz to give you more control over the memory. The Intel Core i9-13900K is one of the fastest CPUs currently on the market, and it offers a high core count, integrated graphics to improve your gameplay, and exceptional single-core and multi-threaded performance to routinely deliver a satisfying gaming experience each time. This is an excellent choice if you want a top-tier Intel gaming CPU that can handle demanding workloads or titles with ease. Finally, I have a solid all-around gaming CPU that's available for a decent price and can consistently deliver smooth frame rates without overheating. The Intel Core i7-12700 is a great choice if you want a value-oriented gaming CPU. Intel has several high-quality offerings to choose from, and their Intel Core i7-12700 CPU comes with integrated graphics, DDR5 memory compatibility, and 2 microarchitectures that are designed to deliver improved efficiency and excellent performance when gaming. It's part of Intel Intel's 12th generation Alder Lake family that P-cores and E-cores like the previously mentioned models. And the cores are based on different architecture to help improve in-game performance. Like the previously mentioned Intel options, it also has an LGA 1700 socket for installation on the PBC with 600 series motherboards, and it supports Intel's useful thread director with Windows 11 devices to prioritize workloads and improve its processing efficiency and speed. In addition, it has a relatively low thermal design power rating of around 125 watts, and while it doesn't come with a bundled cooler, it still remains reasonably cool when gaming or working. It offers 8 performance cores, 4 efficiency cores, 20 threads, a 128 gig maximum memory size, and 25 megabytes of L3 cache, which delivers impressive multi-threaded and single-core performance and can reliably deliver smooth gameplay with modern or mainstream AAA titles. I also like that it features an integrated Intel UHD Graphics 770 GPU, so you won't need to buy a dedicated graphics card to get solid frame rates with older or less demanding titles. In addition, it supports DDR5 at speeds of up to 4800 MHz, DDR4 up to 3200 MHz, and PCIe 5.0 to future-proof your purchase. The Intel Core i7-12700 is a quality CPU that comes with a solid amount of cores to help boost performance, an integrated graphics controller, and excellent single and multi-threaded performance, which makes it a great choice for most gaming requirements. If you want a gaming CPU that outperforms its price tag and can effectively power a higher-end gaming rig, this is a great choice. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.